Yes, you read the intro right. Advanced copying and pasting and selecting stuff. I'm going to try and make it exciting. But it's advanced and it's good. You're going to need to know it. So there you go. Let's get going. I can feel you there. You're like, I'm going to skip this video. Better get good quick. All right, it's going to get good. There's some useful stuff. So we know that if we grab something from this frame and copy it, and we want it on this one, we can hit paste, and it puts it exactly where it found it in this one, which is not actually aligned to the bottom. You're like, okay, that's right. Wow, what shortcut has Dan got? What we can do is copy it like before. I'm going to click on the thing we want to stick it over. Okay, click on it, and you can hit Command-Shift-V or Control-Shift-V. And look at that, it puts it over the top, not where it is in the frame, but where you select. Like if I click on this and hit that same shortcut, Command-Shift-V, Control-Shift-V, it just sticks it over the top of the thing you have selected, which is almost good. Look, it's still there though. It didn't replace it, just kind of puts it on top. So I'm gonna undo that. I still can't work out why that's good, but there you go. You can replace over the top of a selection. What's better though is if I copy it and I do a slightly different shortcut, which is Command-Shift, not V, but R or Control-Shift-R. Boom, it actually puts it and replaces the thing you have selected. You've got this and you need to replace these gems. Okay, I'm gonna copy it and then I'm going to select it and go Command-Shift-V. And I'm gonna go Command-Shift-R. There you go, it replaced it, the thing I had selected, not because normally you go copy, you click on the frame and it goes exactly where you want it. That's kind of good and mostly helpful. You can do it in a lot of goes as well. Watch this. I'm going to undo, bring back our lovely Comic Sans. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to U and U. Will it do too? It will do too. Command-Shift-R, Control-Shift-R, wherever it is on the frame. And it hasn't just stuck it over the top, it's replaced it. That'll be in your shortcut sheet for sure. And most of you will know this shortcut. I just draw a rectangle at the top, for example. Okay, and I'm going to select all of these frames, holding Shift and hit paste, just a regular old paste. Can you see it puts it on every single artboard? This one, frame. This doesn't fit across, but that's okay. Great way of getting nav across lots of different frames at once. That's multi-paste. You don't do anything. You just select multiple frames and hit paste, and it sticks it where it got it on all of them. Another interesting one is if I copy this, what tends to happen is, like most programs, if I go to this one and hit paste, it puts it exactly where it got it. Or if you have nothing selected, it just pastes it where it got it from, and you end up with this duplicate over the top. Is this handy? You can actually right click it, and wherever you right clicked your cursor, there's this special option that says paste here, okay? So say you want it, because otherwise if I'm up here and I hit paste, can you see, I want it over here, not down there, go away, and it's overlapped. I can just say right click, paste here. It goes to wherever your cursor is. I'm trying to sex that one up. It's kind of good though, right? It was worth the 30 seconds anyway. Okay, it's time to scrape the bottom of the barrel. Next one is select inverse. So let's say that I want to leave the nav on this page and get rid of everything else. So select all, okay, it's Command A. That selects everything. The cool thing about Command A is that if you're inside of a frame, it selects everything inside of that frame. If you have nothing selected and go Command A or Control A, it selects everything in your document. You can hit delete, okay? But if you're inside of here, select all, you can delete everything inside that frame or do whatever you need to it. Copy it, paste it, do the paste here, maybe. But now there is a select inverse, okay? So I'm here, I wanna select everything but this. I do this all the time. I wanna clear out everything in here or change the color of everything in the frame, but not this. So you select the thing you don't want, hit Command-Shift-A or Control-Shift-A on a PC, and it selects everything in reverse, except this, look, he's left behind. Except, weirdly, in Figma at the moment, that shortcut selects everything in every frame, which makes it kind of unusable. Because often where I need it is when I'm in here and I'm like in this group here and I'm inside of it and I want to leave this one alone because I've changed the color of it. I just want to select everything else because there's lots of different things in here. Command-Shift-A, but it grabs everything on every frame. Oh. There is, I'm hoping that gets fixed in Figma. Check it, it might be fixed now. There is a plugin for that. Watch this. There is one called Select Inverse for Real. Let's do it. So I'm inside this group here. Okay, I've got this selected and it will select, well, let's run that plugin. Who remembers what the shortcut to run previous plugin is? That's right, nobody remembers. Command-Option-P on a Mac or Control-Alt-P. It's handy when you are a bit of a plugin lover. And in this one, it's pretty cool because if I go my Command-Option-P, okay, it just runs the last plugin that I used. There you go. So find it first, run it, and then you can use that shortcut And all that plugin does is exactly that. So let's go it again. I go into my group, select this one, and because I've run the plugin already, Command Option P, Control Option P, hit delete. Oh, look, it selected everything but that, not just everything in the document. Hopefully that becomes just the regular default feature in Figma. All right, so select inverse things using a plugin is the bottom of the barrel for my advanced selecting and copy and pasting. Let's finish with a good one that you might know already. Shift 1 to go see everything. I want to actually grab all the navs on the 100 artboards, sorry, 100 frames that I have. Now I can never remember the shortcut for this one, so we're going to use the shortcut to rule all shortcuts. Remember, it is Command or Control //, but we're going to start using the Command or Control P because that seems just easier. Okay, I'm going to type in same. There you go. Have something selected like our nav. We're going to say select all the same properties. There you go. It's a great way of selecting everything and deleting it, moving it, finding it all, changing the color. Obviously ours is a component, so we could do it up the top there, but there you go. Select same properties. Same one here. Just to practice that shortcut again, Command or Control P, and because it's already at the top there, I just have to hit enter on my keyboard. Select it, Command or Control P, and you can see there, I've got those last few ones that I've used. Woohoo, no typing required. All right, how did it go? Was that super advanced copy and pasting and selection? Hopefully one of them were good, and we'll try and use them all again in the course somewhere. On to the next video.